Today I'm sharing a delicious and simple chicken recipe, tomato chicken sambal. This recipe is for 8 to 10 servings. The ingredients needed are 1.5 kg of chicken cut into small pieces, wash and clean, 800 grams of tomato, 240 grams of chili paste. This is homemade chili paste. The video link is in the description box. 80 grams of ginger stripe, 35 grams of shrimp paste or belacan, 300 grams of red onions, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I will also use the spices and cooking oil. Start with marinating the chicken. Put all of the chicken in the large basin. Add in half of the salt. And rub the salt with chicken until salt has dissolved. Add the balance of the salt and continue to marinate it. This is to ensure even marination on the chicken. Next, add in all of the belacan or the shrimp paste. Add in 5 heapful tablespoons of chili paste. This is 6/10 on the spiciness level. Adjust the amount as preferred. Next, stir and mix until belacan, chili, and the chickens are well combined and marinated. Plastic or rubber glove can be used to avoid contact with chili. A wooden spatula can be used as well. Avoid using bare hands to marinate as the heat from the chili can cause skin irritation later on. Alright, the chicken is marinated. Leave it aside for 20 minutes. For best result, allow it to marinate for 2 hours. Next, cut the tomato with really sharp knife. First, cut out the top part here. Cut and remove the stems area here. Next, cut the tomato into 1/2 cm thick slices like this. Repeat until all the tomatoes have been sliced. Alright, the tomatoes are ready. Next, cut the red onions. Use the same thickness as the tomato. Okay, the onions are ready. Let's cook. Today, I'm cooking the chicken in a slow cooker. Put all the marinated chicken in a slow cooker. And leave it here while we cook the spices. Here I have 1 cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, 4 cloves. We are going to fry all of this. Heat the pan, add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. And wait for 45 seconds for the oil to get hot. Once oil is hot, add in all the ginger strips and all of the spices. Stir and cook for 30 seconds until aromatic and slightly soft. Next, add in all of the onions. Give it a stir and continue to cook for about 3 more minutes, or until onions become soft and fragrant. Alright, this should be okay. Switch off the heat and transfer it into the slow cooker. Give it a mix until well combined. Add in all of the sugar and stir. Next, add in all tomatoes. Don't need to put water as the chicken and tomato will release a lot of juice once it is cooked. So this sambal will have enough gravy on its own. Cover the lid. Turn on the slow cooker and set it to auto. Alright, that is all. We are going to leave it to cook slowly and come back to check later. After 1 hour, let's check on the chicken. See, there is a lot of gravy in the pot now. Give it a stir and mix until tomato and chickens are well combined. Okay, this should be enough. Cover the lid and allow to cook for 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, the chicken is cooked and tomato has become really soft. See, we have a lot of gravy as chicken and tomato have released their juices. Give it a stir to rotate the chickens and tomato. Chicken is soft and ready. Let's taste it. Wow, delicious! The chicken is cooked perfectly. If the chicken needs to be softer, allow it to cook for an additional hour. But for me, this is perfect. Since it is ready, turn off the slow cooker, dish out and serve. This is best have with rice. Let's eat! Wow, the delicious savory taste with a bit of spiciness goes really well with the rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!